Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are looking at the, I want to say Mama Deck. I'm not really sure what this deck's called. It says up the top here, Mama Face. So I'm presuming this is called the Mama Deck. It doesn't have a name on it. It just has the slogan, she's not playing with a full deck. Which is obviously referring to someone who is not all there, I suppose. Judging by the back, there's going to be various sayings throughout this deck. I'm going to make that presumption now before I open it, because this says, don't put words in my mouth, I keep my foot there. So yeah, it'll be interesting. It's made by the United States Playing Card Company, made in 2015. It says air cushioned finish, made in the USA. Same again on that side. Now this cracker open and see what Mama brings to the table. If I can get it open. And we're back and we're in. She proved a lot more hassle than I thought she would be. Bad Mama. So, let's crack in there. Bicycle Brand Association information. This is quite interesting. It's like a zebra pattern. So, ooh, let's have a look. Bicycle, get in the game. Why shouldn't you follow bicycle playing cards? Get set at the table. Information. We have a Joker, presumably Mama herself. I don't know if this is a comic book strip or a cartoon series or something. Made by Joey in 2014. I'm not sure. These are original faces. They've got the hand, almost handwritten number in the corner, and these are actually slightly odd shaped because they're like hand drawn. It's pretty cool. So you've got Mama. I'm presuming these are mamas, or people in different outfits. That's pretty cool. It's a bit strange, a bit quirky. I don't know who this is, who they are, or who designed this. There's no real information included in this. Oh, there is. Trust me to not look. Normally, that's the first thing I do. Let's get some information. So, Joey Heiberg is a self-taught artist who is the queen of her own universe. In Joey's world, difference is beautiful and dreams come true because there are no fears. Her success with Dolly Mama, her alter ego, has won her awards. Her artwork is displayed in actresses' homes, galleries and shops all over the world. She's happy coexisting with her daughter Zoe and her partner in crime Bob, creating fun and silliness in her studio. Come and visit her at the artofjoey.com. So this saying on the back actually was the back, which is pretty different. So let's go and, yeah, so that is literally the back. It's not a series of like motherly sayings. It's that saying, that is the back. I mean, they look pretty cool. This racing stripe sort of look is a bit different, isn't it? Very, very cool. I like it. Yeah, I like that. I think it looks pretty nice. I think if I was good at cardistry, it would be a lot better because it would, well, look a lot nicer when I found it. Or I did did specific cuts or flourishes. So, I mean, I can tell from looking at this that these pips are slightly in compared to a standard deck of cards, because usually you'd see all of the pips on the way around a fan, but with these you don't, so you'd have to sort of really spread them out to see them, which it doesn't matter. I'm not into cardistry, so I don't really know the benefits of that. I can see why there's a sort of zebra print pattern on top now, and that's through this. But I mean, yeah, they look pretty darn cool. I can appreciate good artwork, as I've said many times before. And yeah, it's cool. It's a cartoon series. Well, not cartoon series, cartoony artwork of this Mama's World created by this lovely Zoe lady. So if you want to see more about her, theartofzoe.com. Let me just check. Yeah, theartofzoe.com. Art of Joey. My bad. That is probably a bit of a mistake. Her daughter's called Zoe. So yeah, that is the Mama Deck. Into quirky artwork. I mean, I suppose if this celebrities and high society are displaying their artwork in their houses, I mean, I'm not an art expert, but I can appreciate it. It's a bit cool, a bit different. Not my sort of thing, but it's nice. It's nice enough. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you next time when we will be reviewing something else. Take care.